Hello students. Earlier in our first lecture we studied that Anil had sold his book to the publisher and then after that he brought some amount and he kept under the mattress. After that now we are going to continue this point. I had been working for Anil for almost a month and apart from cheating on shopping had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door and I could come and go as I please. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. So, Hari Singh had been working for Anil for almost a month. And then as he was going for the shopping every day, so then there only he was cheating him. Apart from that, he didn't do anything wrong, which he is considering in my line of work. It means theft activity was his line of work, but he didn't do same kind of work again. Then he had all the opportunities to do that. Actually, Anil had given him keys also, so when he want to come or when he wants to go, so he was easily able to do that. If he wanted to do that, so he had all the opportunities with him, but he didn't do so far like that. But now today was the chance or today was the opportunity. Now see, he was the most trusting person I had ever met. So far Anil met to so many people, but nobody has given him keys. But Anil was the person who had given him keys also. So when he wanted to come or when he wanted to go, he was easily able to do that. Then, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the world. So he's just saying, as he had so much experiences about those things. So he is mentioning one thing, as he was trusting him so much, that's why only it was really so difficult to rob Anil. Even it is very easy to rob or to cheat greedy man. The people, those who are not giving keys, or these people, those who are not trusting Hari Singh, it was easy to cheat those people. But Anil was not the same kind of person. He was trusting him so much, and that's why only he had handed over the keys to him, because he can afford to be robbed. It means greedy people only they are going to afford it. But when he is going to talk about Anil, Anil was very careless man. Whenever Hari Singh was going to the market and he was robbing, he was cheating him, he was making a profit a rupee every day. Still, he was not at all minding about that. Though he was realizing Hari Singh was cheating him, but still he was not at all saying a word also to him. And that's what only the reason. Due to that, he is mentioning here one thing that was taking all the pleasure out of the work. Then, well, it's time I did some real work, I told myself. Then he said, okay, now, so far, whatever happened, that's another point, but now, this is the time. Now, let's do some real work. He told to himself. Then, I am out of practice. Actually, for almost a month, he was with Anil only. He didn't do anything from his line of work. Now, that's why he's mentioning one point, he was out of practice. And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Then he is going to assure himself, if I am going to take money, okay, it will be the good one. But if I am not going to take, so what will happen? Anil is going to waste that all the money on friends only. He will just go out, he will just celebrate and enjoy, and he will spend every rupee of that. And then again, one reason he is giving there, after all, he doesn't even pay me. You are saying, you are just making him understand by himself, and he is saying, even he doesn't pay me. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor considering the situation. So now Anil was asleep, and then beam of the moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. At that time, Hari Singh couldn't sleep because he was planning something. Due to that, he couldn't have a sleep also. So that's why he sat on the floor only and he was considering the situation. What was the situation? See now. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. So Anil was sleeping, and then beams of moonlight also stepped over, and then it came on the bed. At that time, Hari Singh was just planning something, what he could do. He had very limited time, and he was just thinking over the situation, or he was just considering the situation. Then he just thinking here one option. If I took the money, so then I will be able to catch 10:30 express to Lucknow. So that's why he just slept out of the blanket and then he crept up to the bed. Then Anil was sleeping peacefully. So first of all he went to the Anil and then Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. It means as he saw his face, so it was very much clear and there was so much gleam on his face. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. Then again, he is mentioning or he is comparing himself with Anil. So Anil face was it was clear and unlined, and at the same time, when he is going to see himself, so he is mentioning one thing. So while I had so much marks on my face, then mine were mostly scars. As after crossing 60 years, 70 years, there you are going to see the scars on your face. So those scars were seen right now only on Hari Singh's face. So he just comparing himself with Anil. Then see now, my hand slid under the mattress searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. Then, first of all, he was searching for the notes, so then he just kept his hand under the mattress. Then he was looking for notes at that time. So, suddenly he found that, and then he drew that all the notes out without a sound. At the same time, Anil sighed in his sleep, and then again he turned his face towards me. It means towards Hari Singh. So startled. Startled is the word. It means confused or shocked. So at that time, Hari Singh was shocked, and even he was thinking, "I am caught now. If he is going to get up from there, so then I am caught red-handed." So then at that time he was startled and quickly he just crawled out of the room. So slowly, slowly he has gone out of the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pyjamas. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. So then, after that, he has gone on the road. Then, slowly, first of all, he was walking and then he began to run from there. So, he kept those all the notes on his vest. So, he held those notes by a string of his pajama. Then, after some time, he slowed down to a walk and then he counted those notes, how much he carried. Then, what was the amount? 600 rupees in 50s. Then he's just saying one thing, I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. So the amount which he had, so then he was easily able to enjoy 1 week or two easily like a oil rich Arab. Oil rich Arab, it means very rich person. For that sense it is used. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life. So then, first of all, he reached at the station, but he did not stop at the ticket office. As by profession he was the thief, that's why he didn't buy tickets in his life, but dashed straight to the platform. Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated for some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. So he reached at the station and straight away he has gone to the platform because he didn't buy the ticket in his life. So when he reached there at that time, Lucknow Express was just moving out from there. Even train was just supposed to pick up the speed also. He was confirmed, or if he wished to go, definitely he should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. But God knows, for some reason he hesitated from there. And then even he is mentioning, I don't know exactly what may be the reason for that. I can't explain. And then train had gone from there, and then he lost his chance to get away. So again, he was at the same place. There may be some kind of attachment with Anil. That's why only he couldn't run away from there. Actually, he had the best chance to go away, but he didn't do the same one. We'll continue remaining part in the next lecture.